Oh, back so soon? What's that? You want to watch me make my lazy person cornbread? Well, if you say so. I got this little can of corn here because the other pre-made one that I was looking at had that as a suggestion that you could add in whole corn. This one doesn't say anything about it, but I'm going to do that anyway because, like I said before, I know everything. So, our instructions are to mix this with 1.5 cups of water in a large bowl. So here my large bowl magically appeared just for me, and now I will figure out how to open this. And I cut the instructions in half, but that's okay. I would have chosen one of the other recipes, but those call for eggs, or it calls for 1 egg, and I don't have eggs right now, and they only sold them at the store in cartons of 12, so that's kind of useless to buy an entire carton, only to use 1 egg. Ignore the fact that I just did that for the can of tomato paste, since it only needed 1 tablespoon, but we'll just pretend that didn't happen, okay? Shh. I also don't have a whisk, so I'm just gonna do this the difficult way. That should be good for now. I'll get these rinsed off and then I'll put those in. Okay, so you're supposed to put this in one of those 8x8 baking pans, but I don't actually have one of those. But I do have the insert for an 8x8 baking pan, so I'm gonna do this anyway. So now, let me just mix this up some more so that the corn is evenly dispersed. And then all we need to do is put a non-stick spray on there, which I also don't have any of, so I'll probably die trying to remove this, but whatever. Let's see, what else? Forgot. Yeah, so at this point we just put it in the pan and then bake it. So I'm going to attempt, oh, actually I could use some butter on there. That should work sort of okay. If I have a thing to apply it with. Fork almost fell in. That was close. Okay. I forgot to look at what temperature the oven needs to be on. 375. So let me go ahead and get that set up. Now we just pour this into our makeshift cooking pan and hope that it comes out once we're done. It's like pancakes, except better. There, I'll just wait for the oven to warm up. So I don't really trust this aluminum thing by itself, so I'm going to put it on this baking tray. But we are now ready for this to go into the oven. I'm going to stand over here so I don't burn off my eyebrows again. Okay. I'll put it in for 30. It says 30 to 35, but I'll try not to burn it this first time. So I will see you in a bit. There it is, our very own cornbread. Ow. Okay, well, the chili will be done in about an hour, so the only other thing needed to be added to it is the toppings, so that's the usual stuff. You saw that bag of cheese earlier, that's what I'm going to be putting on top of mine. I'm going to use it for this too, but there's not really anything else to go over, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching.